Hello students, there is a good news for you. Now you can write the same matter at different speeds. Link of the same is given in the description box. Thank you. Start. Learned counsel for the applicants in this criminal miscellaneous application has relied mainly upon the ratio and the reasoning of the majority judgment in the full bench case reported and particularly therein on the judgment of another case. Stop. In that case, the identical point arising in this application was in issue and held that the High Court had the power to recall its earlier decision and rehear a criminal revision, and the learned judges also further sought to classify the conditions and the circumstances which would justify the exercise of such an exceptional power. Stop. Learned counsel for the applicants has also placed reliance on four decisions of the same High Court in support of the proposition canvassed by him. Stop. Two division benches of the Mysore and Patna High Courts have also been relied upon the pleadings of learned counsel for the appellants. Stop. Para. In reply to the contentions raised and the authorities cited on behalf of the applicants, learned counsel for the private respondents has relied primarily on the observations in the full bench judgment of the Andhra Pradesh High Court. Stop. Reliance was also placed on three single bench judgments of the Madras High Court and another single bench judgment of the Odisha High Court. Stop. Para. To appreciate the rival contentions raised, it is necessary to go back to the language of the statute as laid down in the relevant provisions of the Criminal Procedure Code. Stop. Reliance has also been placed on the language of Section 369 CRPC, which is in the following terms: para, save as otherwise provided by this code or by any other law for the time being in force, or in the case of a High Court by the letters patent or other instrument consisting such High Court or no court, when it has signed its judgment, shall alter or review the same except to correct a clerical error. Stop. Para. It has been contended that Section 369 Criminal Procedure Code applies in terms to the revisional jurisdiction of the High Court, and in the alternative it has been argued that if that be not so, then in any case the principle and the doctrine of finality of criminal judgments enshrined in this section is applicable by analogy to the revisional powers also. Stop. However, the true meaning and exact scope of Section 369 CRPC is evident when this provision is viewed in the context of the general scheme of the Criminal Procedure Code and the place of this provision therein. Stop. Chapters 20 to 23 of the Code deal with different kinds of trials, that is, trial of summon cases, warrant cases, summary trials, and trials before high courts and courts of session. Chapter 24 contains general provisions regarding such inquiries and trials. Stop. Chapter 25 prescribes the mode of taking and recording evidence, and it is thereafter that Chapter 26, in which Section 369 finds its place, falls and is headed as of the judgment. Stop. Chapter 27 provides for the submission and confirmation of the death sentences to the High Court, whilst the rules relating to execution, suspension, remission, and commutation of the sentences are to be found in chapters 28 and 29 stop. From this overall view of the scheme noticed above, there is hardly any doubt that the provisions of the sections contained in chapter 26 pertain only to the judgments pronounced by the trial court stop. This conclusion finds certain assurance from the language of some of these sections stop. Thus, Section 366 Criminal Procedure Code, which is the very section in this chapter, refers to the judgments in every trial in any criminal court of original jurisdiction stop. Similarly, Section 367 Criminal Procedure Code provides what must be contained in every such judgment, that is to say, a judgment in any original trial stop.